Welcome to Biggest Heavy Equipment Machines Working. If you love engineering and industrial machinery, don't miss this video showcasing the largest and most impressive heavy equipment machines in action. Watch the video until the end. Massive excavator in quarry works alongside smaller ones, highlighting the stark contrast in the size of mining equipment. John Deere grader cuts grass along the side of the road. A satisfying video for the eye. This giant crane gently backs down a steep incline. But in the next video, I will show you a much larger crane. This video is from the Mr. AJ Works channel. The backhoe driver is digging a ditch. It is quite interesting to watch this process. By the way, you can watch its full episodes by clicking on the tooltip. Look at the installation of the giant helmet at the nuclear power plant. It must be the biggest crane possible. This excavator is trying to get out of a body of water with its boom. This machine couldn't handle the load it was carrying. The bucket with the load overbalanced lifted the body into the air and hit the ground. The wheels broke off from the impact. Watch as the crane operator saves the excavator from falling off a cliff. Luckily, everything ended well. By the way, be sure to watch the video to the end. At the end of the video, I will show you the heavy equipment that will blow your mind. And this operator decided to hold the machine with his boom, but the ground was too soft and the boom sank into the ground. I think it's pretty creepy to encounter such a huge machine on the road sitting in your sedan. See how a huge bulldozer shifts a multi-ton mass of soil in a single movement. And this is the process of unloading multi-ton marble blocks. The power of this equipment is amazing. Two excavators connected by a metal rope help the crane to drive up the hill. This is how the slope is cleared at the ski resort with the help of machinery. This rock ripper is a construction machine designed for the preliminary loosening of heavy, stony, and frozen soils. The appearance of this equipment is impressive, but it is a child's toy compared to what I have prepared for you at the end of this video. Watch to the end. Look at the process of loading the bulldozer onto a heavy equipment trailer for further transport. This This is the presentation of the new models from Komatsu. The excavators are crossing a body of water. They may well have special pontoons installed so that they can stay on the water. Maybe I'm wrong. Write in the comments if you know how it works. Take a look at the process of loading a truck with sand. I especially like how the backhoe operator removes the top of the sand pile. Compare the size of the truck to this giant excavator. How many tons at a time can its bucket scoop up? Write in the comments. It's time for this excavator to update its bucket. Notice how deformed its bucket is from many hours of hard work. Here's another video from the marble cut. See what size marble blocks are mined. Check out the brand new bulldozers from Caterpillar. The work of such a huge machine is mesmerizing. We are almost at the end. Very soon I will show you the biggest equipment in the world. The electric rope shovel is a powerful mining machine. Because of its massive size, this electric shovel is designed to efficiently dig and load large amounts of material in the mining industry. Another video about the rock ripper, and here we come to the end of the video. Get ready. Now I will show you the equipment that will blow your mind. Attention! This is not a chainsaw for giants. This is the biggest trencher in the world. When laying utilities, it is often necessary to dig a trench of a certain size. This is successfully handled by trenchers. Thank you for watching the video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.